tiny little thing. Apple did it right. Sleek on my desk, ain't taking no space, but running M4 like it's winning a race. Ports on the back and the front got clout. Thunderbolt, HDMI, no doubt. USB-C where I see 'em with ease. Headphone jack chillin', yeah, I'm at peace. Size down, power up, feel that surge. Mac Mini moving like it got that urge. Quiet like a whisper, speed like a flash. Fit in your bag, now go make that dash. You checking for fans? Nah, don't even breathe. Quiet like a monk, got that piece of the sleeve. I'm cutting up vids, dropping some tracks, and it still runs smoother than your luxury Mac. It's introverted, but flexing inside. With 16 gigs, it's a powerful ride. Stacking my apps, still ain't slowing me down. Got that iPhone sync, I'm wearing the crown. Apple intelligence, making me shine. Right speed flow, all perfectly timed. Privacy locks like Fort Knox doors. Not even Tim Cook know what's yours. Built for the future, still budget wise. Mac Mini got value, no disguise. Yeah, storage tight, had to get an SSD, but I still save stacks. That's a W for me. Now game inside, not the Mac's true lane, but for VO and bits, it's killing the game. Got an old i5, time to pass the crown. M4's in town and it's holding it down. Size down, power up, plug and go. Mac Mini flying like a pro, love the show. Cool, quiet, compact, clean. That little piece got a powerful G. From student desks to creators flow. This Mac Mini is ready to go. Carbon neutral, feeling fresh and smart. Apple just dropped a tech work